This is the personal pathways and well-being pillar of our CSIPSA. The theory of action is if we create a Catholic school community with a culture of caring through equity and respect with a focus on the differentiated pathway of each member, then student and staff well-being will be nurtured and supported. This is important to me because I am getting ready for high school and it is a big focus for me. One strategy that I appreciate is this one, the STA Student Success Visits.
Some of the St. Thomas Aquinas visits have included a visit to our class where Mrs. Wilson would come in and she'd tell us lots of different information about St. Thomas, and we could ask her whatever questions we needed to ask and she would answer them. It's also included where we got to visit St. Thomas Aquinas, where we got to go around to some classrooms and see what goes on, and it was really interesting. And last night at parent-teacher interviews, we had some students come and set up a display, and they were talking to us about high school, and it was on their display. It showed lots of different things that St. Thomas has to offer.
So we're just here in front of the grade 8 room at parent-teacher interviews at St. Luke's, and we're just trying to promote our school, St. Thomas, trying to talk to the kids about it, the grade 8 kids, to see if what they're thinking about going to high school and trying to promote our school, tell about different stuff that's going on.
Great. And what do we have here on the Chromebook? Mrs. Wilson, do you want to share with us a little bit about how we're able to interact with you and how other families and connect with the St. Thomas Aquinas community through technology tonight?
Perfect. So I've got Mark and Mark's mom here, and we're at St. John Paul and Lindsay, and we thought we'd use our Chromebooks that every student will get when they're at St. Thomas, and we're on a Google Hangout so that we can obviously communicate and interact with other schools or other people, pretty much wherever the wonderful Google Hangouts can be connected to. We can connect. So that's the whole point of it. And it's about sort of fostering a community and, you know, being a whole family of schools together. So that's why we thought it would be a good idea to represent here at Parent Nights.
Okay, cool. So Mark, I have a question for you. How does a night like this tonight help you? Like, what's your experience been like being able to connect with St. Thomas Aquinas and being able to have access to a couple of teachers tonight? Have you been able to ask any questions or any help, or what's tonight been like for you?
I thought it was really cool how we could talk to all the schools and see how they're doing. Yeah.
Great. Thanks very much. Thanks very much.